The Meghalaya Liberation Association of the Visually Impaired had organized a special program at PDENGSHNONG LAITKOR on the practical demonstration in reservoir gardening under the BOKASHI technology. This form of gardening involves treatment and valorization of bio-waste materials using controlled lactic acid fermentation under anaerobic conditions. The term is based on a traditional Japanese method of the same name. The acidic and anaerobic environment quickly suppresses the viability of pathogens, so even contaminated biowaste can be recycled. The program that was organized on the day also saw the presence of members of the Blind Lead Trust Shillong, the KSU President of LAITKOR Unit Kermen Lang Mauri, staff of Bethany Society and other invitees. Speaking during the function, the President of the Meghalaya Liberation Association of the Visually Impaired, Elkin Rinyao, informed that the project that was initiated involved very less expenditure as almost all materials used are waste from households. He further informed that the technology of reservoir gardening is beneficial and conducive to the environment since it involves the recycling of waste materials to be used for the growth of organic vegetables and fruits for both personal consumption and commercial sale.
Today program is about this reservoir garden. This reservoir garden, once we do this one, it will last throughout your lifetime. And one thing also, this reservoir garden can make use of the wastewater. And once you fill up the water, you need not to pour water again and again. This water will last around 1.5 months or nearly 2 months. So once we do these techniques, the personal benefits of the the implementer is that you will save the time, save water, and also save the energy. So the benefit of the association is that this kind of technique is purely organic. So after we sow some vegetables out of this, then we can sell, and after selling, then automatically we will get some income. And also from the income of this techniques, we also can donate to the general fund of the association.